For this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a submission and to delete your portfolio. When creating your portfolio, notice that you've had multiple menu items, like your menu is expanded. That means that you've created more than one portfolio, and this just is not going to work for your class. So to do this, you will want to log in to the activity. You will select the submission where you see the submission. Instead of selecting resubmit, you will delete your submission. Yes, delete it. From here, you will select the Digication D. This will bring you home. From your home page, scroll down on the right or left-hand side to where it says My Works. From here, click your portfolio or portfolios if you've created more than one. And from here in the drop down, the little sandwich menu here, select delete and then delete portfolio. You have to actually type the words. Yes, delete it. All right, so this will delete your portfolio, and then you can go back and create the activity again, following the instructions in the tutorial. So now you see you have only templates that you have access to, and you can re-add the work and create only one portfolio. Thank you.